Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. It is 10:47. I'm going over to my friend's house to check on her cats because she went out of town, and thankfully she lives in my neighborhood, so it's just like a pop over. Just picking up the kitchen a little bit. I'm not gonna do a super deep clean. Saturday's like my cleaning day. I already have some laundry in. I feel like a bloated cow because, you know, a long time, and I'm just feeling like, it's almost like I got hit like a ton of bricks. But I figure I would just go to my friend's house and then I would just go to the gym and do something super light. But it's like, I feel so bloated. It's like day one, so it's like, oh. But yeah, I want to clean up the kitchen a little bit. I mean, it's not terrible. But for me, I'm the type of person that doesn't like to have clutter everywhere. Like, having certain things on my counter is like a lot for me, because my husband was like, we're gonna keep the KitchenAid mixer up here, even though we never use it. And he kept prompting me to like put things on the counter. I'm like, no, I don't want anything. Like, ideally, I tried to get this way, but it wouldn't work because of plumbing. So originally I wanted like this island to be a solid island, and I wanted the sink right there. But it obviously didn't work out that way. And not that it's you're super sideways. Not that it's a bad thing that it's in the island. I just wanted it solid so it would be nothing on the island. But since we entertain, we don't entertain like a ton, but even when we clean up for dinner, it's nice that it's in the island because you can still kind of interact, and it's like whatever, like it's nice. If it was over there, your back would be to essentially everything. It's winter time, by the way. It's not winter time. It is hot as hell still in October the 6th, if I didn't mention it. But like it's definitely changing, and gotta move, even though I've been cleaning up the kitchen, because I'm telling you, my watch hates me. But my face is like even worse, like as far as like dryness goes, even though I've been putting lotion on. I didn't put lotion on last night after my shower. But I'm just whatever. I should just go to the gym. I should just go get my friends, do her cats, and then go to the gym and just get it over with and eat. I think I'm gonna go pick up a salad for lunch. Nothing too, I mean, I would love Jimmy John's, but I don't want the calories. But you know, it's that time, so I could probably do it. Did I close this yet? No, I still haven't done it. Literally, this thing is so freaking annoying. But I hope everyone else is gonna have a great day, and I'm not walking you into a like dizzy spell from walking in circles. But I've been super into kind of crafting a little bit more. I'm trying to just like do things for me, and really I should go get another mink because mine is totally donezo. And I asked if you guys were okay if I moved back to Etsy, and you guys seem to be okay with that. Because right now Shopify is more expensive because I'm not like busting out kits, and I don't sell that many kits. So like, I think what I did do new releases, the fees on Shopify equaled the fees on Etsy, so it was just like a wash. So, but I had to go get a new mink. And the poll results that I got when I asked if you guys cared that I'm not putting out kits, like people who voted like yes, who cared, most of them messaged me and was like, it's not that I don't care, like that I super care that you're not putting out kits. It's like, I just really like your kits. So it was super sweet. And a couple people did message me. I mean, some of course said yes and didn't message me, but it's like, I don't know, I miss doing it, but it's like, I feel like it's making my life a little bit more crazy. And I've been really kind of able to concentrate on myself versus the shop, because I still work full time. Like, my tech job didn't go away. It was, I did both. Right, Dini? Are you just so cute? Are you the devil? Huh? So I'm looking at the Lawn Fun inks that I have here, because I'm going to order a couple more, but I want to make sure I don't get duplicates. And this is how I label them, so no matter what way they go in, like, it'll always be uniform. And Christina Warner is the one that came up with that. So if you want to figure out how to do that, she did that. But I haven't finished these guys, which I don't remember why I didn't. Like, I literally have, oh, no, it's up there, it's stuck. The labeling thing, these ones get so dirty. It's funny, hers I think is like black at this point, but you just mask it off. Anyway, it works well. So I want to order some more, but again, I don't want duplicates. All right, it's a little bit later than you last saw me. I've showered. It's 3:13, still Saturday. I ordered my stuff that I was talking about over there. I feel like I need to just like get a box and just put all like extra stock in it. Like stuff that I have like over there, or I just need, yeah, like essentially, that's not in focus anymore, I'm sorry. Essentially what I'm saying, let's see, let's focus again. What the heck? There we go. That line of stuff is just like part of kits that I haven't finished, or like essentially pretty much from PBC. There's still stuff over there that I haven't just like finished making into the kit. Like, there may be full boxes, there may be ombre boxes, like, but like things are missing. I think I'm gonna go to Joann's and get the mink. I put a poll on Instagram. It's only been like an hour, and pretty much stating that I am going to close Shopify, and I'm going to, someone just said don't get a mink, and it's someone that I actually trust, so maybe she'll have a better solution for me. That I'll finish all the orders I have open left on Shopify. I think I only have a couple left. And I was gonna go get a mink to foil new releases, but they're delayed, and it says I'm okay with that, like you're keeping your shop open but it's going to Etsy, or I've moved on. And it's right now 72:28. The focus is like in this corner and it's gone. 72 saying that they're okay, 28 saying they've moved on, which I totally get it. I don't expect people to stick around if, you know, I'm not giving out kits that I used to do all the time. And it's hard because, again, I'm working full time. Like, I put a lot of love into my shop. I never blew up like a bunch of the other people did. I never became part of the clique to make myself blow up, because I didn't do this full time. It's just not something that hang on, gotta read this message because I'm literally about to go get a mink, and this person who I trust very much is telling me not to get it. So hang on. All right, so there is a better foil machine out there, and I just purchased it. Thanks to my girl. and it ended up being the same price as the mink. As you guys know, this is my second mink. The first one, my hair is crazy. The first one lasted forever, and then this one, I would say I have used it a solid maybe 10 times, and I've maybe only, if I had like a big one to do, it was like 10 pages, or not 10 to 20 pages, and I think I've only done it twice. So this machine is a POS. It's great for home use. Like, oh yeah, let me turn it on, let me do like one thing. I don't even use it that much. Like, I think the longest time I used it was 20 minutes. Because again, I like to do it in bulk. I knew it would get hot, so we'll see how this one works. So, well, I'm gonna do something else now. Ignore my hair, I literally just threw it up. So, I shortened these, reshaped them, still not happy. I don't know what it is. I feel like they need to be points, but I just shortened the crap out of them a couple days ago. So we're gonna see what I can do here. I wanna wait until next week, week after. I don't know. At least one more week to redo them. I don't know what I want to do next though. And I'm tired. And it's still Saturday. You haven't figured that out. It's like 9:45. I'm tired, it's fine. Let's shorten these or change the shape. I don't know. I think I'm gonna round it though. This is the difference. I don't know, just the cute little rounded I think looks better in this. Some of them are a little bit of like a weird shape, but they're pretty much rounded. I think rounded fits them way better. Happy with my choice, even if they're looking a little chunky because of just how much I filed them and how much the color is not on like parts of it. I don't know, I'm happy with it. But I'm going to end this here tonight and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is, apparently YouTube, it is Sunday the 7th. I've done quite a bit today. I cleaned majority of downstairs already, so you're not gonna get to see that. Sorry, but I did actually just put a clean with me up today, so if you wanna see my main level and me cleaning it, go check that out. I've had a very productive day. We watched the Formula 1 race this morning. I got us some breakfast. I threw laundry in, went to the gym, got back about an hour and a half ago, ate lunch. I just got a sub from Publix, just a little turkey sub. So put the laundry in before I went. Now I'm gonna put in the dryer, clean downstairs, loaded the dishwasher, running the dishwasher. Actually, I don't think I loaded the dishwasher, I think. Well, I guess a few things that we had. And yeah, I might edit some videos because I don't really have any videos this week. I have the try on haul. So Clean With Me just went live, so I need another vlog to go in. Let's see, if it just went live, I need it to be up for Tuesday. Then I can have the the try on haul Thursday, and then I can have another vlog Saturday. So I'm doing every other day. And then the Plan With Me can go up. I'm gonna be able to put the Plan With Me on Thursday. I don't know. The choices. So I hope everyone else is having a great day. I'm so glad it's almost time to chill because I am tired and I'm a mess, so what else is new? And Mickey loves hiding in the spot. The cat's knocked over Mike's clothes. I'm not gonna pick them up. He can, but isn't he just so cute? Usually he's behind the curtain here, but I just thought he was so precious. So I'm gonna edit some of these vlogs so I can stay on schedule. And then maybe I'll film the plan with me, kind of what happened this week, like do a rewind. The vacuum is going, so that is what you're hearing. And yeah, I think that's gonna call it for now, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Just got my package in from Amazon. Came in pretty late. It's now 8:44. Yeah, it's showing up. So I got this to add onto a box that I have, so like you can make the box, and then these are add-ons. I got a few more crafty things coming, so I'll do a haul when I get them all, but that's like the first one. And then I picked up 2 more of these guys. I'll link them on Amazon. This one was like 17 bucks. This one was obviously more since it's 128, but I wanted to get a bigger one for the vlogs because sometimes I go a long time without editing. Sometimes I don't. So I have a 64 in here now, but it fills up. It hasn't filled up in a minute, but it has filled up. And then I have one here, and I have like, I don't want to say emergency ones, but pretty much emergency ones. So this is actually my main one that I use for filming, which usually has nail videos on. Yeah, I'll show you some screen time here, but essentially, move that over here. I want to import all of these guys. This is actually some nail video stuff. I recorded these nails, which were the previous set to this one, although it's black, so it's not gonna show up. Yeah, so super excited to get these guys in here. Oh, my try-on haul. But it just goes with the, yeah, my unedited. Go in here. And then this needs to go in here, I think. Am I so wrong with that? I might be. I'll turn off the volume to spare you guys. This one's already up. Yeah, that one's up. So delete that one. And I think this was the ending that I had to film. Yeah, so that's the ending. And that's going in here because these guys were already here. And then this is me taking off the nails and prepping. So yeah, I'm going to finish up with this, do some laundry, which I just put in, and then I will see you tomorrow.